In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta title and description in Mobirise. If you want your pages to look professional in search results and improve how people find your site, setting a clear meta title and description is essential. These are the bits of text that search engines and social networks often display, so getting them right helps both visibility and click-throughs. Start by logging into Mobirise. Once you're in the app interface, look toward the upper left corner and find the menu icon, the three horizontal lines often called the hamburger menu. Click that to open the main options. From there, choose Pages. This takes you to a list of all the pages in your project, so you can pick the exact page you want to optimize. Find your page in the list and look for the small gear icon next to its name. That gear opens the page settings. Click it to bring up the fields you need. You'll see a box labeled Page Title and another labeled Page Description. These correspond to the meta title and meta description that search engines read. In the Page Title box, enter a concise, descriptive title that clearly reflects what the page is about. A good guideline is to keep it around 50 to 60 characters so it doesn't get cut off in search results. Lead with the most important keywords, use natural language, and consider adding your brand name at the end if space allows. Avoid stuffing in too many terms. Clarity and relevance are what drive clicks. Next, move to the page description box. Write a short, compelling summary of the page's content, typically around 150 to 160 characters. Think of it as an invitation that sets expectations. Include the main topic, why it matters, and a subtle benefit or outcome the visitor can expect. Keep it conversational and accurate, and avoid repeating the title word for word. Each page should have a unique description that matches its content. What you enter here becomes the metadata for this specific page, helping search engines understand it and helping users decide to visit. These settings don't change your on-page headings. They control what appears in search snippets and link previews. That's all there is to it. Log in, open the menu, go to Pages, select your page, click the gear icon, and fill in the page title and a page description. With those fields thoughtfully written, your page is better positioned to stand out wherever it's shared or discovered.